Hi everyone. Uh, let's maneuver around with an optic fiber. So before that, let's have all these LEDs lit up. So we mount each one of them on the breadboard, and in series to each one of them we shall have 330 ohm resistor for current limiting purposes. Then after that we light it up, or we power it on. Then we can now see the red, the amber, the green, the blue, and the white. Let me say colorless. Now we take our optic fiber. This is an optic fiber cable. So if you look at it, it has two ends. The other end will point on each of the LEDs. So when we point at the red one, you see the red color on the other end of the optic fiber. The green, the blue, and the white. So whenever we point the other end of the optic fiber on each of our LEDs, we realize that we get the same color on the other end of the optic fiber. Now stay tuned, because in our next video we are going to transmit data serially using an optic fiber. So make sure you subscribe, make sure also you like the video. Thank you everyone.